I think having access to DFab allows people to think bigger than just traditional work. It's a different language than just hand meets material. It's hand meets computer that also meets material. So you've got that extra step in there to control what it is that you're making, because now you have a machine.
The DFab department here is super accommodating. I used a whole lot of different tools and processes to make this. Started out with a CNC file that I used a 3-axis CNC router to cut out ribs.
You go from using a router in the wood shop to, using a router on an X, Y, and Z axis, which is the CNC mill. In order to operate those machines, not only do you have to have an understanding of the way that it's done by hand, but then you have to have the knowledge of the digital and how do you create a tool path.
You understand the traditional fundamentals of how things are built, and then you can change that to whatever you want, and that's where innovation starts.
Like, you're basically orchestrating this composition, this musical score for the machines to follow.
I'm not confined to just sewing garments on material that I've bought at the store, but it allows me to really push myself and make my own work 100% my own.